product that I tried out as a result of my not being able to get my internet signal throughout my house in my bedroom. Every time I turn on my Netflix, it would start, and then after a couple seconds it would drop the signal. I'd have to go in and reconnect to my Wi-Fi. Very frustrating. So I stayed up late one night looking for different systems, and I came up with this here. It's called the Deco. It's by TP-Link, and it is a wireless router system. It has 3 different units. One connects directly into your modem, and then the other 2, I believe, they catch the signal from the first unit. So it's like a chain device. The problem that came up with this is I have a receiver that I have internet radio on, and it's hardwired. So I needed to be able to plug in an Ethernet cable. I tried to plug it in. There are 2 ports you can see in the back here, 2 ports to plug in an Ethernet, but neither of these work. What that is you can plug in your first one to your modem, and then if you want to plug another one to chain it hardwired, you can do that, but you can't plug in a hardwired device. So I stayed up again another night to figure out. I tried to use my old router to have 2 routers in the house. Can't do that unless you have 2 separate IP addresses. So easy solution. I was at Home Depot and I saw this switch that is also made by TP-Link, and I thought, well, it's probably best to buy the same switch made by the same company, and it was the least expensive one there too. It was about 16, 17 bucks. So I brought this switch home. I plugged in a Ethernet cord into the back of the one that is plugged into the modem. So I have the modem plugged into the first one, and then I have the Ethernet cord going to the switch going from here. And then in the back of this switch, you'll see there are plugins, so I can plug in, I believe 1, 2, 3, 4 different hardwired devices. So I plugged my receiver into the back of that. Voila, everything worked great. Now I have my internet radio, and I also have an app to be able to see my receiver on my iPad. So it all works with this wireless system. So that is the solution. You can still use this system if you have hardwired devices. You just need to get a switch and you'll be good to go. Thanks for checking me out, and if you like my video, please subscribe.